Angular is a powerful, open-source front-end framework developed by Google for building dynamic, single-page web applications. It is a TypeScript-based framework that provides a structured approach to web development, making it easier to build and maintain large-scale applications. Angular follows a component-based architecture, where the user interface is broken down into reusable components, improving code organization and reusability. One of Angular's key strengths is two-way data binding, which ensures that changes in the user interface automatically update the underlying data model and vice versa. This reduces the need for manual DOM manipulation and improves development efficiency. Additionally, Angular includes dependency injection, a design pattern that makes it easy to manage and reuse services across the application. Angular also comes with built-in support for routing, forms, HTTP requests, and state management, eliminating the need for many third-party libraries. It offers a powerful templating system that allows developers to create dynamic views efficiently. The Angular CLI further enhances productivity by automating tasks such as project setup, code scaffolding, and optimization. While Angular has a steeper learning curve compared to frameworks like React and Vue.js, it is well suited for enterprise-level applications that require strong maintainability, scalability, and performance. Many large organizations choose Angular for its robustness, built-in features, and long-term support from Google. Overall, Angular is a comprehensive framework that provides everything developers need to build modern, interactive web applications. Its structured approach, powerful features, and strong community support make it a popular choice for front-end development.